friends, students, teachers, and fellow networkers. Welcome back to another episode of Networking with Sir Godwin. Today, we will tackle a very special tool in your packet tracer, the MultiUser. And the MultiUser is a feature in your packet tracer that allows you to create multiple point-to-point connection between multiple instances in a packet tracer. That means that if you have different files that you have created or different designs of local area network from one packet tracer to another, you can connect them. So this episode is a quick tutorial demonstrating that the steps to establish and verify a multi-user connection to another instance of a packet tracer within the network. So let's start. I hope this quick tutorial can help you on your networking class. Okay, let's begin to configure two of the networks that we have. So this network and the other network, we're going to connect one using multi-user. So naala tayo steps na i-follow when you perform multi-user. So take note, kinanglan, ang dual ka network is already configured and all the PCs are pinging together. So this one also, ato na siya i-configure accordingly para maki-communicate na dito sa PCAS. So ang atong buhaton una, we will check if this network here is already working. So in fact, it is not, no? Kay red pa man. So we're going to configure this one first. No? So we're going to enable config p int G0 sa 0 IP add. We are going to put the gateway address. So 198.120.11.1.255.255.255.224. Enter, no shot. So basically, on na niya siya ang kanilang network. Now we transfer back to the next network. We will, I believe nakapila naman siguro ni. Yeah, there's a VLAN already, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So if we are going to ping all of this PC here, can ping each other but they cannot ping across. So magbuhat kita o gateway dito using router on stick para maka-communicate sila. No? So to do that, enable config p, then ringon tadayon in G0/0 because we are connected with the physical cable of G00. Then no shot. Then buhat kita o sub-interfaces for each VLAN. So, mayroon kita G00.10 kay ang VLAN na to is VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So, that 10, we give the encapsulation.1q for the purpose of hatag-itag IP address. Then, the number that we are going to use for the encapsulation.1q is the sub-interface numbers 10. So IP add, so that's 158.12.224.33 to 55.255.255.224. Shot. Then we do the same for the other subnetwork. So we are going to create a sub-interface VLAN 20. Then we are going to apply the encapsulation.1q20, same number as our sub-interface. Then we are going to apply the gateway address, which is the 65. So I believe naana, no? We have already performed communication between this PC here and to this router, this PC here to this router. They're successful. So meaning this PC here, which in different VLAN, we can ping also this PC here from different VLAN. Our task now is to connect this network here to the network at the other side, okay, using multi-user. So these are the steps that you're going to perform. Number one, steps in connecting network via multi-user. The number one step, you have to activate port visibility. To do that, you have to go to the extension multi-user, then you have to go to the port visibility and check what cable or port you are going to use to connect to the other side. So this way, we are going to use the serial 00 here. So we'll try to put it here inside serial SE000. The second step is we are going to listen to the information that we are going to use from both sides. So all of these steps here will be on both sides. So to do that, we go to extension, we go to multi-user, you listen. The information that we are going to take is this. Okay? Make sure that there is no password. Always accept. Always accept. So if you're going to prompt, the packet tracer will ask you if you're going to accept the connection from the other side. So let's try later. Okay? So you go to the other side and you do the same process. First, you go to multi-user, port visibility, and check what cable are you going to use to connect to the other side. Since we use serial 00 at the other side, we will use serial 01 here. So let's put it there. SE0/0/1 so that we will know. The information that we got from the other side by listening it is 127.38.0.0.1. So this is the IP address of your computer which is the local host. 127 is local host, and 38001 is the port number. It's used to connect to the other side. Here, what would be our listen information? 38000, and all of the informations are good to go. This way, you exchange information that 38001 is the other side. And if you go to the other side here, the one that you listen is the information coming from the other side, which is 3800. So, third thing that you are going to use, third step, is to create a multi-user. To do that, you have to click this and you have the multi-user. You cable it from your end, serial 00, down to create a new link. So take note, they cannot be connected because there is no IP address that connects them yet. But this time, once you connect them, you are going to put an IP address between them. So in this case, you have a multi-user. Instead of incoming, you go outgoing, then use the 127.0.0.1, which is localhost, and the port number that we use, 3800, connect. So basically, it's connecting now there. So if you are going to transfer to the other file, prompted, there's a prompt. Appear wants to make a new remote connection. Do you want to continue or do you want to accept this connection? Yes. So basically, you have your connection now. So this way, you are going to connect your cable DTE connection from your serial 001 down to the serial 00 of the other router. After which, you are going to put IP address in between them. Using this address here, let's try to put them. So int se0 says 0/1 and IP add 200.11.15.5 255.255.255.252 because it is /30. Enter, shot. Now you go to the other side and configure also the same address of the same network. So that would be int se0 IP add 200.11.15.6 because the other side is 5. 255.255.255.252. Enter, no shot. You can see both of these ports now are lighted up green. So can they communicate with each other? Again, the answer is no. Why? Because we know that router to router should have a protocol in between. So let's put protocol in between them. In this router here, we are going to put the EIGRP. Putting EIGRP, we are going to put all the networks present in this router. That would be what? Exit here, router EIGRP. Say our autonomous system number is 20. No auto summary. Then you have to identify all the networks. 158.12.224.32. And we will specify the wildcard mask. So to complete the wildcard mask, that would be 255.255.255.255 less 255.255.255.254, which is your subnet mask. 255 minus 255.0, 255 minus 255.0, 255 minus 255.0, and 255 minus 224 is 31. So that would be your wildcard mask. So 0.0.0.31. The next network is 64. The next network is 200. Network 200.11.15.4. 0.0.0.255.255.255.252. 255 minus 252 is 3. Okay? So there's a protocol already in this side. So you go to the other side and put also that protocol. Router EIGRP 20. Both of them should have the same autonomous number. No auto summary, and identify the network. This network is 198.120.11.0 network, 0.0.0.31 because you have the same slash. You have the same subnet mask. 31, enter. The next network is this one. Route network will be 200.11.15.4, 0.0.0.31. So meaning they share the same network. So look at that. They have established connection already because there is a dual. Okay? An indicator of an EIGRP is already in this network. So let's try to see. Do show IP route. There is the D there, which is connected to the 158, and the 158 is at the other side. Right? If we are going to do show run here or do show IP route, it can see is the network from the other side, which is the 198. Both of these networks now can communicate even if they are of different file. How much more that we are going to use a packet tracer from one place to another place, like for example, my house to your house. So that way, if we can do that, it would be very easy for us to perform networking. So let's try to ping. When pinging, take note that you are going to go through all the ports. Ping 98.120.11.1. This is the gateway of this network here. 98.120, it's pinging. We will ping also the 200.11.15.5. This is that 5 here. It's pinging. If we are going to ping also, that 6 is pinging. So that 6 is at the other side now. Let's try to take this IP address here. This is 40. We are going to ping 40 from this side here. That will be ping click paste, it is pinging already. So both of these computer can ping each other in a multi-user setup. Try to ping also on this one to 198. See what is the PC here? 11.10. So this computer, we would like to ping it. Ping 198.120.11.10. Try to ping. It will take a little while because this ping is always time out, right? There, it pinged already. You know already now how to use the multi-user setup on your networking class. I hope today you have learned something new. If you have any question, you can down in the link that I can get back to you as soon as possible if you have questions. In our class, you can also ask questions, and my teachers there, I am very, very glad to help you with your networking class. Thank you. Hope this video can help you. Bye.